Current affairs, ang dami. Kasi since nag-usap sila, so may time na ako na nanahimik lang ako and then nag-hug lang ako sa kanya. Magkaharap kasi sila ni Bibi, tapos ako yung nasa tabi. I think pinag-usapan nila yung current state of Davao pa rin, and he's very proud of Vice Mayor Baste, sila Kong Pulong, Kong Omar, and si Rigo, si Councilor Rigo, acting Vice Mayor ngayon. Pinag-usapan nila ang development of Davao, and of course of the Philippines, kung kamusta na ba, kasi kamusta ba yung mga tao, kamusta yung mga Filipino, are they okay? Kasi, well, he's not president anymore, so hindi na ganun kalaki yung magagawa niya, but he reassured us na you, the Filipino people, are always on his mind. Yun pa rin yung iniisip niya until now.
Did former President Duterte mention or discuss with you his message of not being present for the Kadayawan Festival in Davao?
He misses Kadayawan. That's for certain. He misses Kadayawan. Talagang naalala niya yung different festivals and different showcases of culture in Davao. Iba-iba yan yung mga parade from the pageant. So he misses his city and Davao City. And sabi niya, balang araw, one day, makabalik din siya. Yun lang yung gusto niya.